Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly, while others struggle? The secret is understanding how manifestation truly works. In today's video, I'll guide you through the 3 steps to manifestation, reveal the 4 ways people commonly manifest, show you how to master manifestation to master your life, and help you start living life on your terms. Plus, don't forget to download your free ebook to deepen your practice and make these techniques even more powerful. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them, so they can manifest the life they choose. So here is our course overview. First, we're going to go through the introduction. Module 1 is understanding the 4 types of manifestation. 2 will focus on conscious light manifestation. Module 3 is understanding step 1 of conscious light manifestation. Module 4 will understanding the 2nd step, and then module 5 is the final step, step 3 of conscious light manifestation. Then we're going to go into understanding how to overcome obstacles in Module 6, and our final conclusion and next steps. Welcome to your journey of conscious light manifestation. What you will learn in this course. The key takeaways for the course are learning the 4 main types of manifestation to identify how you manifest your life. Master the art of asking, learn how to clarify and articulate your desires with powerful intention. Align your vibration. Discover how to raise your vibrational frequency to match what you wish to attract. Allow and trust. Cultivate the mindset of allowing and trusting in the divine timing of your manifestations. Celebrate and receive. Embrace the energy of gratitude and learn how to celebrate each manifestation, no matter how big or small. And then overcoming obstacles. We want you to be equipped with tools to help navigate challenges and roadblocks in your manifestation process. And finally, helping you to expand your vision and learn more about some more advanced manifestation techniques. So again, just covering the course outline that you will be doing. Module 1 is understanding manifestation. Module 2 is all about conscious light manifestation. And then modules 3 through 5 help you to understand the main 3 steps involved so that you can practice conscious light manifestation. And then module 6 is focused on overcoming obstacles so that you may have the tools you need to not only do this work, but also understand the challenges and have different tools available to help you on your journey for conscious light manifestation. First of all, welcome. We are so happy that you're here, and we hope that this will be a completely transformative journey for you in this course. So why did we create this workbook and ebook and this course? One thing that many people continually ask me is, what are the different types of manifestation? You know, when I tell them, oh, you're doing this consciously, unconsciously, or this is a dark or a light manifestation, so many questions come about. And also there are many questions about what vibration really is and how does it actually impact manifestation. The entire goal of this course is to make sure some of those key concepts are explained at the most basic level. And these are more simplified overviews. But there are a lot of nuances and a lot more detail to this. But hopefully this can help set a base understanding of what manifestation is overall, so you can better understand how you are manifesting your life and how things are coming about in your life and the lives of others. So how to find success in this course? What we recommend is just come at this with an open mindset and leave everything you know behind and start new. Just pretend you're learning about manifestation, about how things come about in your life in a new way, in a new perspective. The best way is just to relax, enjoy, and follow along with the ebook and workbook so that all of this information can be used to better solidify in how you use it and how you manifest your life. And what we intend for you is to walk away feeling empowered, feeling excited, and feeling completely rejuvenated about your life, knowing that going forward, your life will never be the same again, and that you hold the key and the power to make it happen, and also bring in incredible experiences that you never expected to see. So that is what we intend for all of you. So welcome. We're excited to have you on this journey and to learn this material through our eyes. Module 1, Understanding the 4 Types of Manifestation. Let's dive in. So what is manifestation? Manifestation is the process by which thoughts, feelings, and beliefs create reality. The law of attraction states like attracts like, so positive and negative energies alike. Every person manifests their reality consciously or unconsciously every day, and this is occurring 24/7. But before that, let's also understand what a vibration is, because every thought and emotion emits specific vibrational frequency. High vibrational thoughts attract positive circumstances. Low vibrational thoughts attract negative experiences. So this is a very simplified overview. Your focused thoughts create your feelings and your vibration. Because every time you have a thought, it creates a feeling, no matter what. Even if it's neutral, you still have a slightly positive or slightly negative feeling. There's always a feeling reaction to every thought you have. And then those feelings create a vibration. They have a vibrational frequency. And then life outcome happens. So all of this results in life outcome of what you manifest. So first, let's go through this. Every manifestation, every life experience has a vibration. So if you're stressed, there is a vibration for that. If you're angry, there is a vibration for that. If you experience not knowing, questioning, that emits a different vibration. Being happy and joyful has a specific vibration. Being thoughtful and calm and relaxed and just sort of in this peaceful area has its own vibration. And then feeling serene, feeling at peace, that also emits its own vibration. Your mind is always emitting these vibrations. They all combine to transmit to the law of attraction what you want more of. Imagine all these vibrations are sending to the law of attraction what it is that you want to see. And this comes back in experiences and 3D realities that make you experience more and more of those vibrations. And remember, vibrations are basically condensed number of feelings. Let's talk about conscious and the unconscious, because consciously you may say, oh yeah, I'm happy, I'm a joyous person, everything is easy for me, but you may not be feeling that way. Because remember, your feelings live in the unconscious. And so we want to explain why the vibrations of the conscious mind versus the vibrations of your unconscious and subconscious mind are completely different. And let me explain the difference. So your conscious mind works at 5 to 50 bits per second. So that's the brain processing power. So when you're sending out a frequency, I'm happy, I'm powerful, I'm relaxed, I'm at ease, whatever it is, or I'm sad, it doesn't matter. This is the frequency strength. Now your unconscious mind though
and this is your feelings, this is what basically your feelings are attached to, they're at 9 million bits per second. So imagine the power difference, and we're going to break that down even further. So to understand the power of the conscious and the unconscious vibration of what you're emitting, we're going to use the examples of the robin bird. Sometimes you may see this in America or in Europe, but this is a common bird. And the largest animal to ever walk the planet, it's called an Argentinosaurus. And this is literally the largest animal ever found to have walked the earth. So just to give you a concept of the size difference, the height of this Argentinosaurus could reach about 65 feet or 20 meters. And the length is even bigger. It can be up to 115 feet wide. It's incredibly, incredibly huge. And so just to compare to the average human size, if a human is 5.6 feet tall or 1.7 meters, you just look at the variance, how much bigger this is from a human. And then if you take the robin, it's so tiny. I think it's even tinier than that, but I tried to show it so you can see it. But basically, when you think of the conscious mind, the size of it and the strength of it, that's the difference. So when you're thinking of why it's important that you have control over your thoughts and feelings and manage your unconscious vibration, this is exactly why. If the robin is trying to chirp, are you going to hear it like the Argentinosaurus? If it walks, are you going to feel its vibration just as strongly as you would? No. And so within you, you have both of these. And so you have to make sure that you can have them aligned as best as possible. And here's why. So if your conscious has a specific wavelength, say this specific frequency is saying, I want a new car, I want a new car, or I want to sell my house, I want to sell my house. And your unconscious mind is just completely doing its own thing. It's feeling off. It's not really feeling that way. You're not going to get alignment. But if you can get to a point where you can align your conscious and unconscious, then as you can see, not only does the vibration completely align, but you are closer and closer to getting what you want because the vibrancies are the same. And this is what we talk about in our work in Vibration Mentors, helping people have full control as much as possible over their vibration overall, both consciously and unconsciously. So every manifestation, again, emits a vibration, right? We said how being stressed has its own vibration, being angry, being curious, being joyful, being calm, and being just blissful. So you can see how each one fits differently. And unless you align with something, it's hard to get it. But here's why a lot of people you find are unhappy and attract more unhappy situations is because if their unconscious is constantly feeling unhappy, then that is the feeling that they keep bringing in and the experiences that keep coming in. So alignment of vibration creates manifestations. Think of it like a large puzzle. So say what you want basically is a large puzzle. And the more and more you can focus your vibration to bring together all the pieces that you want, then that's the experience, that's the 3D reality that will come about. So the alignment of vibrations will create your manifestations. Your vibration and your 3D manifestation or your 3D experience have to align for it to be created. So hopefully that gives you an overall explanation of why it's important to understand vibration and understand the power of the conscious and unconscious mind. And so we can delve into understanding more the 4 ways of manifestation that most people use. And again, this is very simple. There are a lot of nuances and a lot of other things involved, but we won't get to them in this course. Those are more for more in-depth work. But this will give you a very general idea so you can apply it, see it. And even if you only do this course, even if you don't do anything else, these lessons will help you throughout the rest of your life. Thank you for watching this Module 1, the introduction. I'm so grateful you got a chance to understand better the depth of how strong your vibration is and how powerful the unconscious mind is. So thank you for watching this module, and I hope you've really enjoyed it. And we have my sister's dog Leo is making an appearance, saying hi. I'm very excited for you to watch the next module because this module 2 really covers the 4 main types of manifestation. By understanding these 4 main types, it will better help you understand how maybe you've manifested your life consciously, unconsciously, through dark or light manifestation. So enjoy, and may you have amazing epiphanies watching that module.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on manifestation, mindfulness, and personal growth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.